In today's video, we will learn about a dollar, different ways to make a dollar using coins, and even money subtraction with simple examples. This is a dollar. How can you make a dollar? Using 100 pennies, or 10 dimes, or 4 quarters, or 20 nickels. Let's say you want to buy a chocolate bar priced $1. You have $2 with you. So how much you'll be left after purchasing? It's 2 minus 1 is $1. So you're left with $1 in your wallet. Let's say you want to buy a pen for 25 cents. You have $1 in your wallet. So how much money will be left after purchasing? Remember, $1 is 4 quarters, which is a 25 cent each. So write 4 quarters. And now the pen is 25 cents, which is 1 quarter. So take away 1 quarter. So how much is 4 quarters? Take away 1 quarter gives you 3 quarters, which is 25 plus 25 plus 25, which is 75 cents. 75 cents is left with you in your wallet. $9 minus $6 is like you're having $9, and then you take away $6 from it. How many are left? Can we count how many are left? 1, 2, 3. So $3. So 9 take away 6 is $3. In this example, it's $6. Take away $5. How much is 6 take away 5? It's $1. Good job. In this example, we have $6 minus $4. So 6 take away 4 is $2. Good job. If you liked my video, don't forget to ask a grown-up and subscribe to my channel.